Let's start with the frame. It's the backbone of your trip trap. Grab the two main legs and the wooden base bar. Slide the bar between the legs with the grooves facing in, then insert the nuts and screws. Place the two metal rods through the leg holes. For now, tighten them just enough to hold. They'll need adjusting later. Slide on both curved back pieces. Add nuts and screws, but don't fully tighten yet. Next, let's get the seat and footrest in place. Slide the seat and footrest into the grooves with the straight edge facing forward. Adjust height and depth for your child now. Much easier before everything's tight. If you are using the baby set, make sure that the smaller piece is installed on the top groove. Place the chair on a flat surface and tighten all screws firmly, starting from the bottom and working up. Slide the extendable feet to the back of the legs, and you're all set.